If you're a creative and you're still wasting hours and hours listing products on Etsy, you're just wasting time, and that time could be focused onto creating more products. Now, Megan was in the same boat until she started using my Etsy listing automation, and now that's saving her hours every week. So I'm going to let her take over this video and she can show you exactly how she's using it and give you her feedback as well. So it's not just my feedback that you're getting, it's someone who's actually using the tool and getting great success from it. So let's dive in.
Good morning, everyone. I'm just doing a little bit of work before I start my freelance work this morning. So I'm just adding some listings to my Etsy store before I get into everything else. Now, with this store, I do everything through an automation called Digital Product Shop Automated. It's by Liz Peck, and all the stuff happens in the back end, and it's great because I don't have to touch this store really. So what we're going to do, I'll just quickly show you what I've been doing because I've started already today. Okay, so what we do is we have my code set up, which is connected to a product folder, which is in here, which is just a normal Google Drive folder. And I have my thumbnails all set up at the back as well. This is a bonus in Liz's automation, is it will automatically add your images to the spreadsheet, which is fantastic. So I've already done that today. So at the back end here, this is an automation that talks to the Google Sheets, and it throws everything into this big spreadsheet. And this is the spreadsheet that talks to Etsy. So you need everything correct. Now, the reason we see a little few errors here is because I was logged out of my Google account. So this didn't work when you're not logged into your Google account. So that error is me. So in my scenarios, I have quite a lot of scenarios in here, but this one is Art Inspired Studio automation. So this is the Google Drive product plan. The Google Drive folder to product plan is what I just did then. So as you can see along the drive here, these are all my product images for Etsy. Okay, so they're all done already. Now I have put the code in. As I said, the code matches the folder, it matches the mock-up images, and that's how it finds it. Now on here, this is great. This is all my automation. So I've put a few words to describe the actual product, and I do AI data, and this will start working in a minute. And we'll quickly throw everything up. It's doing everything in the back end. It's taking its time. There you go. So now it's done the title. It's done your description. Now there are things in there you add in the back end when you first set up, which is great because this way, excuse me, I don't have to keep retyping this or re-copying and pasting each time. Here are your keywords. I always have a quick scan because, as we know, sometimes these AI things don't count properly. So you need to make sure. I quickly just check this. These are pretty good. I'd rather do, let's have a look. I wouldn't mind doing, these are washes. I wouldn't mind doing junk journal pages in there. Okay, that's pretty good. Then what we do is, because I've put the Google Drive link from my product folder into here, and this is going to create the deliverable. So download instructions. So it's all talking to the automation in the back end. Come on, there it goes. So that will attach to your Etsy listing. So it's a PDF. So when you go into here, I'll see if I can. Oh, there I can open it. And I've already done all my logos. There's your product link, instructions. And I can put my freebie link and everything else in here if I wanted to. I just haven't done it. I need to update that. That's easy to do though. And then so we'll do the next one. Oh, it's ready to list then. So what we'll do prepare for listing. And let's just see and make sure it works. Sometimes I go into here and have a look at it to make sure nothing falls over. Sometimes if the keywords aren't correct, it might fall over. But that's all to do with, yep, it's running. There you go. You can see it's all highlighting as it runs through each automation. So really easy. So I often on a Saturday, I'll list about 50 items at once. I'll have everything ready in the back end as I'm working on things, and I just do it. So yeah, this will change when it's finished. So that's now listed on Etsy. I'll show you in a minute. This is going to do the AI data for me. Okay, I've already put the price and everything in, so this has already been done because my prices change depending on the pack. Download instructions. Give it a second. I'm just going to, as I said, I sometimes just change a few things. Okay, download instructions is done. Prepare for listing, and we will go back into this and see if this is going to work. You can see it's just started again. It's starting to talk, and it's running through each of the things. Excuse me, while I lose my voice. So that's excellent, isn't it? So I will do like 50 at a time as I'm working. I add things to the spreadsheet, and then I add them all at once. So as I said, that's what I do. So there's 2 listings done. It's taken more longer than I normally do because I'm talking you through it. Normally I'd keep working, doing more other things in the background, like adding more pictures to the drives, into folders and everything. Okay, so hang on, I should show you. Okay, so we're in our drafts. So these go straight to drafts, which I love. So there's my 2 new listings that just have been done through the automation. So yeah, it's fabulous. Anyway, and eventually they'll go into the shop. So yeah. This shop, all these 361, all these listings have been done through the automation. So yeah, as I said, I do 50 at a time. So it saves lots of time. Anyway, see you guys. As I said, that is Digital Product Shop Automated by Liz Peck. I will drop a link in the description for you if you want to have a look. Okay, thank you. Bye.
I love hearing stories like Megan's and actually seeing people using my tools because it gives me great satisfaction that I built that and it's helping so many people. So if you are really sick of all of the repetitive admin tasks and you just don't want to do it anymore and you want to set up an automation just like Megan has where it just lists it for you and it's just simplified the whole process, then I will add the link below for you in the comments and also in the description so you can check out my automation and see if it's something that would help you in your store as well. Well, I know that it will help you in your store, but if you want to check it out and see if it's a good fit for you, then you can do that. So I hope that this has been helpful to you, giving you insight into someone else who's using it. And yeah, if you've got any questions, just let me know. Bye for now.